there guys, and welcome to Student Meals. This recipe comes from a colleague of mine, Lorenzo, and he suggested we make this because he thought it was super delicious, so we're going to give it a try. So today we're going to make some vegan pancakes. I hope that you enjoy this episode. So what you'll need is 175 grams of silken tofu, about 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 125 grams of self-rising flour, about 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar, a pinch of salt, and finally about 200 milliliters of almond milk, or any milk you like. Of course I will be using some oil to fry my pancakes in, but you can choose whatever oil you like as well. First of all, take a large bowl and add your silken tofu in there. That sounded appetizing. Now let's whisk everything up. I'm going to use a whisk. You can also use a blender if you want to. And mix it until it's nice and smooth. Now I'm going to add the milk bit by bit and keep on whisking so that there are no lumps in the mixture. In a separate bowl I'm going to mix all of the dry ingredients, so the flour, the sugar, vanilla sugar and the salt, and just whisk everything together. Now let's add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and whisk everything up until there are no lumps left. Alright, that's the batter done. Now let's start frying. Take a pan, put some vegetable oil in there, put it on the fire and let it get hot. Once the oil is hot, lower the fire to medium-low. Take a little bit of your mixture and put it in a pan. Fry it on one side until it's golden brown, flip it around and do the same. Basically like you would with a normal pancake. I might have put a bit too much of the vegetable oil in there, so make sure just to cover the pan and not to drench it with oil like I did. There we go. This batch looks a bit better. And there you go, just stack them in a nice pancake stack and possibly drench them with some maple syrup and you're good to go.
Time for a test. So normally what I would do is I would pour a whole lot of maple syrup over this and then just like take a big chunk and stuff it in my mouth. At the moment we still need to have some dinner later on and I want to save some pancakes as a dessert. So I'm going to be civilized and just take a bit of the top pancake just for the real taste test. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. Okay, change of plans, I'm just gonna do it like this. Cheers. So I actually really like the taste of this. I think it's a very good alternative for vegans if they want and they crave pancakes. This is really good and super easy to make as well. So thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, feel free to like the episode. If you like what we do in general, you can always subscribe to our channel. We still post a video every single Wednesday, so stay tuned. Thanks again for watching and as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye!